front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access advanced features. Then hit one-handed mode and use this switcher to activate it. Lastly, use one of those options to decide if you wish to reduce display size with gesture or button. Then read all of those instructions below your chosen method. In my case, double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. To switch placement of it, you can use this icon on the right or on the left, or simply hold this line at the top and drag your little screen. To go back to the standard one, you can click on blurry area, and to scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!